This jersey did not start in a cotton field. It started floating on a river.
From an invasive weed choking rivers to the shirt on a fan's back, this is one continuous line. Water hyacinth.
One hand holds a weed nobody wanted. The other holds a shirt every fan wants.
From a river plant to a national jersey, this line does it all, in one building. Every stem is sorted before it enters the line. The strongest fibers make the strongest jerseys.
If the fiber snaps here, it never reaches the knitting floor. Strength is decided at the very start.
The sun does the first job the machines can't. Dry fiber is workable fiber. This is where a floating plant becomes a thread. Everything before this was just preparation.
Every gram is logged. The jersey you'll wear started as a number on a scale.
Stiff fiber can't become soft fabric. This step changes that before the spinning even starts.
Too much hyacinth and it's too stiff. Too little and you lose the story. This ratio is the balance. This is the moment a river weed becomes a thread. Everything after this is shape.
This is the first moment it becomes thread. Before this, it was just fiber with potential. Industrial ring spinning frame.
1,000 meters of thread wound onto a single cone. This is what the knitting machines will read.
Right now, this yarn has no flag. In 20 minutes, it will belong to a country. The color has to survive 100 washes on a fan's shirt. This step is where that promise starts.
It goes in damp and muted. It comes out dry and unmistakably a national color.
The shade of yellow matters as much as the fabric itself. Fans notice a color that's even slightly off.
Thousands of loops a minute. This is where thread finally becomes fabric.
A single drop stitch here becomes a hole in someone's jersey later. This is the last chance to catch it. If it's cut too soon, the jersey shrinks wrong after the first wash. Patience here means a shirt that fits.
For the first time, you can see the shape of the shirt in the fabric.
Two rivals. Same river plant. Same precision.
The stripes aren't printed on top. They become part of the fiber itself. The stripes aren't printed on top. They become part of the fiber itself. A number this size, in this exact position, regulation leaves no room for guesswork. Two flat panels become one wearable shape. This seam will stretch through 90 minutes of play. The collar has to survive being pulled over a head thousands of times. It's sewn to take that stress. A curved seam is harder to sew straight. This machine does it the same way, every single time. A hem that curls after one wash isn't good enough for a national jersey. This one won't. This jersey has to pass 40 checkpoints before it ever reaches a fan.
A natural fiber jersey still has to move like an athlete needs it to. This proves it does.
Natural fiber has one job here: prove it breathes, as well as anything synthetic. It does.
Not every jersey is perfect the first time. This is where it gets there.
Rivals on the pitch. Identical craftsmanship in the factory. A signature isn't paperwork. It's one person saying, "This jersey is ready."
The robot stitches the 1,000th jersey exactly like the first.
No needle, no thread, Just vibration fast enough to fuse fabric together. 10 seconds of heat and pressure. A crest that won't peel after 100 washes. No blade touches the fabric, just light, trimmed to the exact edge. Every fold identical. That consistency is what a fan sees first on the shelf.
No jersey leaves this room without passing this scan. No exceptions.
A few grams off, and the fabric feel changes. This step keeps every jersey the same. This tag tells the whole story in a few words: size, care, and what it's really made of. It has to survive a sprint, a tackle, and a goal celebration. This rig checks all three. A jersey worn on a sunlit terrace all season still has to look this bright in December. This code ties the jersey back to the exact batch of Hyacinth it came from. A camera checks what the eye might miss. This jersey either matches the design exactly, or it doesn't move on. The last thing that touches this jersey before the bag is a clean jet of air. The bag was designed around this exact fold. It fits like it was made for it, Suroi. Because it was.
This tag tells the story most fans will never think to ask about, that this shirt started on a river.
Every carton is sorted by size and team. No guesswork at the other end. Every barcode is checked by camera before the box moves on.
Dozens of cartons become one case. This is how a factory speaks to a warehouse.
One pallet. Hundreds of jerseys. 2 nations, 1 shipment. One jersey in every batch gets opened and checked. If that one passes, the whole shipment moves. Raw river plant at one end. A national jersey at the other. Everything in between is this building. Today, this line finished at 96% quality pass rate. Both flags, same standard. Every one of these was choking a river a few weeks ago. Now they're on their way to stadiums and living rooms everywhere. A river weed became 2 flags. Every machine, every hand, every stage, it all led to this.